what characteristics you find in your partner, or eh, why do you choose on the basis
That
of characteristics?
that is a very good question.
Thank
So,
you.
what are the characteristics that I look for
Yeah,
that I found in my boyfriend?
yeah, absolutely.
Um,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm great, and how are you?
I'm very good. And my name is Callie. You are
Oh,
in.
yes, I'm Imrajit, and you look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. And you are from where again?
Yeah, I am from eastern part of India, and I live in Kolkata, capital of West Bengal.
Okay, perfect. I watched a couple of your YouTube videos,
Okay,
so
oh wow.
I'm a little bit familiar, yes.
Oh, great. And where are you from, ma'am?
I am from Michigan in the United
Oh,
States.
Michigan. Okay.
Do you know where that is?
I read it in the geography subject.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And what else you do besides teaching on Cambly?
So I actually just graduated from university a little over a month ago. And
Okay.
so I was kind of looking for a job that I could do remote. And Cambly is my first job since I graduated. I'm applying to more places, but this is my job right now. It's the only thing I do.
Yeah, great. And Cambly is wonderful platform, I must
Like,
say.
I love it. It doesn't feel like a job.
Exactly, exactly. And yeah, this is the most interesting and energetic thing that whatever you do, if you like this, if you love this, then it doesn't seem like a job or work.
Exactly.
You are enjoying every moment.
And what you do,
Yeah,
well,
I
what
mean,
you do.
yeah, I'm an engineering student. Recently, I have given the final exam, so I'm waiting for the result. And yes, now I'm looking for job also, and campusing will be going on
Okay.
in my college. And also, I'm running a YouTube channel.
I see that, and I really appreciate what you're doing. I think it's really beautiful. I've
Yeah,
also I've been trying to make my own little like my own Instagram helping people learn English. Kind of what you're
okay.
doing. But I
Wow,
just
great.
started it last week. So I was looking
You
at yours
started.
for ideas. I was like, yeah, that's a good idea. Ooh, I should do
Good,
that.
good, very good, very good. Yes, actually, I love learning English since my childhood. So that's why I started, and whatever I know, I just share to help people. That's it.
Wow. So you've been learning English your whole life?
I love to learning. I love to learn English, and I am from Bengali, so my language is Bengali. Do you know Bengali?
No, but I know that it's a
You
language.
heard of it? Yeah,
Yes.
good, good, very good. And so, how is your family? Everything is okay?
Yes, thank you for asking. My family is really great. They're all healthy at the moment, and I
Oh,
hope it
very
stays
good.
that way. Yes.
Good.
They're all in the United States. Right now, I'm in Costa Rica.
Okay, Costa Rica. Okay.
Mhm.
And so,
Yes.
who do you live with
I
in
live with
Costa
my
Rica?
boyfriend and his family.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Great.
Yeah.
And so, may I know that how do you meet each other or love at first sight?
Yes. So I went to a university in Michigan, 8 hours from where I grew up. And in my first year of studying, I met this wonderful Costa Rican man. And it just so happened
Wow.
that he was graduating in a month. So we met, and a month later, he left and came back to Costa Rica. So
Okay.
we were long distance for 3 years
Oh,
while I finished up my bachelor's degree. And so the story is he fell in love at first sight with me, but it took me a couple more days. Just a
yeah.
little bit longer. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And yeah, I think that sometimes long distance relationship is kind of hazy, but you tackled it very well. So that's a great congratulations for that.
Thank you. It forces you to communicate a lot. There's a lot of talking on the phone. You are living very separate lives. So
Mhm.
it takes a lot of effort to include them, you
Yeah,
know.
absolutely, absolutely. And so, yeah, I'm super excited to know that what characteristics you find in your partner, or eh, why do you choose on the basis
That
of characteristics?
that is a very good question.
Thank
So
you.
what are the characteristics that I look for
Yeah,
that I found in my boyfriend?
yeah, absolutely.
Um, Patience.
Oh, patience. Yeah, and I think you
That's
are also patient
thank you.
because your bio says.
Oh yes, I am. I do. It's something that I try to do
Yeah.
and that I appreciate when other people give it back.
Mm.
So patience, um, hardworking.
Hardworking. Wow.
That kind of goes hand in hand with motivation. I want to be with
Mm.
somebody who's motivated to work, to live, to improve
Absolutely,
themselves
absolutely. Yeah.
because that's like a common goal that I have. I'm trying to improve myself at all times. Like so
Yeah.
at the end of our conversation I'll ask for feedback like, "Hey, what can I do better?" But
Oh,
that we're not there yet. We're not there yet. So patience, hardworking,
hardworking.
motivated.
and and
Um,
anything else?
what?
And anything else or not? Just
Yes. I mean, there's a lot more, but I'll just say one more.
okay. Yeah.
Um, so relatively calm.
Mm. What
So
relatively come? Okay.
yes,
Oh,
so
you
calm.
speak a lot or not?
Because who?
Because you speak a lot or not?
I don't know. I mean, maybe I speak more than him. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I understand. So you love and to make people listen to you
Um, I
sometimes.
yes. Calm just means more so like their energy. I
Yeah.
don't. I am more comfortable around people who are relaxed.
Mm.
I am less comfortable around people who are not calm, who are really like tense or excited.
Okay.
I
Because you
appreciate, yes, exactly.
mm, good
So
bet.
that's kind of what I mean with calm is like very relaxed, going with the flow.
Yeah. And whatever is happening, you can manage with. You can decide calmly.
Exactly. What
Mm.
about you?
Yeah, I like to be calm, and also I like that I'm a strong decision taker, so I can take time to decide something, then I can choose. And also, yeah, and also I love to make people laugh, and I love to interact with new people, new cultures, and also
And
yeah, go on.
so you can go.
Okay, okay, and yeah, also there should be trust in the relationship. That is the most important thing.
Mhm. I think I agree with trust. I think trust and respect
Yeah, trust
are,
and respect. Yeah,
yeah.
respect. I just forgot it. Respect. Respect should be each other. Like you have to give respect him, or and also he has to give respect to you.
Mhm. And like from
So
that respect,
yeah,
yeah,
from that, yeah, go on.
from that respect, just a healthy relationship will follow.
Yeah, absolutely.
Little habits, just out of respect. It just creates a very good relationship.
Good, good, very good. And yes. Now, okay, okay. So you recently graduated, right? Okay.
Do
And
you?
so, hmm?
Yeah, you can go.
Go on, go ahead.
Do you look for the same characteristics in your partner? Because you were kind of telling me about your characteristics.
Yeah,
And do you,
actually, I am right now, no, I am single right now, but yeah, I find those same characteristics I want to find in my life partner, who would be? Or if you have any suggestion, then you can tell me.
If I have any suggestions, I
Suggestion.
don't.
Good.
Most
So
of my
nice.
friends are in relationships.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I have not that opportunist right now.
Mhm.
So that's why I think I did not get any chance.
And I have a question. In India,
Yeah.
what's the dating culture? So
Hmm.
do you have to ask the woman's father before you can take her out on a date, or like what's the situation?
Uh, if you want to do love marriage, then you can date each other via phone call or via video call. Then you can meet up somewhere on at coffee shop or anything else. Then you can introduce your family members if you want to do love marriage. Otherwise, if you want to do arranged marriage, then the family or friends of family contact your father or his or her father. Then that that's how it happens.
Okay. So it's like an option. You can do either or.
Yeah, love marriage or arranged marriage. And
Okay.
most of the people uh, nowadays love to do love marriage.
Very, that's nice.
Yeah, actually, yeah. When you are doing or you are in a relationship, then you you have to know each other, and that will be really helpful for further life.
Mm-hmm. It does.
Yes, that's right.
What would you like to do? Would you like an arranged marriage or a love marriage?
Uh, I always love to do love marriage because I always love to marry my loving one. But unfortunately, I am not loving anyone till now. Let's see in the future.
Yes. I hope so for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You are so sweet. Good, good, very good. And you are so friendly.
Thank you. You are too. You've been
And
keeping the conversation going.
yeah, I try to keep the conversation upbeat. And yeah, and also many many congratulations to you to both of you. Hope you will get married soon or
Thank
whenever you
you.
want.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
I hope so.
yeah, definitely, definitely. God will really help you. And so only 2 minutes left, right? Okay. And so one interesting question I just remember that what the thing do you want to do all the day long, but you will not be bored?
So, what's one thing I could do all day and
Yeah,
not be bored?
you can do all the day long, but you don't get bored.
Hmm. Read.
Read. Oh, very nice.
Yes, I
So you
could
love
read for
reading.
12 hours and I would only need to stop reading to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
So, like, I wouldn't need to, I'd forget about eating, I would forget about the sun setting. I can just keep reading. I get lost.
Okay, I see. So that's a very good habit, you know. And I want to increase my habit of reading. So how can I do that?
Find something that interests you.
Hmm.
So it's very difficult to get into this habit if you're reading something that's not interesting. So
Oh,
you
maybe
have to
yeah.
find something, yeah, that like grabs your attention and by a really good author that knows how to keep your attention. So I
And sometimes yeah, go on.
like particularly something that started me going is fiction books. So very adventurous with some mysteries and a lot of
Okay.
plot twists. Like, oh, I did not expect that to happen. It's like, wow, I have to keep reading. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That surges you up to read.
Mhm.
Hmm. And sometimes I want to read, but uh, somehow I can't manage. So it is the managing problem.
I understand.
I want to read
Well,
more, but Circumstances doesn't help me read a story.
Okay, so like time or noise in your house.
Mhm. Yeah, maybe.
Okay,
Uh,
well,
because I usually am busy for do. Okay, time is running out. Okay, so next time I will